So far in this course, we have talked about basic fundamentals related to Six Sigma and Lean, and we have talked about the roles including the belts, what you have, yellow belt, green belt, black belt. So we have talked about that. Since we are doing all these improvement projects as a team, this team could include Six Sigma yellow belt, green belt, black belt, process owner, and many other specialists. So this project is done as a team. As a Six Sigma yellow belt, you need to understand some basic fundamentals related to team working. And that's what we will be covering in next few lectures. The first thing which we are doing here is understanding the types of team. What types of team we can have? Here I have the list of types of teams which we can have. This is a typical list. A team could be a functional team. Functional team is related to a specific function. Let's say if you have all the people from manufacturing working on a manufacturing problem, that's a functional team working on a specific function or a specific area. In addition, you can have a team which is a cross-functional team. For example, if you have a problem, if you have an improvement project which spans over number of areas. So this spans over sales, design, manufacturing, testing. So if some of your projects has all these components, then probably you will have a cross-functional team where you will have members from different disciplines, different functions working as a team. So that will be a cross-functional team. The next type of team could be a virtual team. A virtual team is something where you don't have people sitting face to face across each other. Virtual team could be when you have people which are sitting in different countries and they are working together towards a improvement project. So that's a virtual team. As a virtual team, you might not have face-to-face interaction, but you might be talking over phone, you might be talking over video conferencing or sending emails. There are its own challenges when you work with a virtual team. But in today's context, when you have companies which are across the globe, you might have a virtual team where you have members which are sitting in different countries. You need to have a communication with them and work together as a team. So that's virtual team. Another type of team could be self-managed team. Self-managed team is something which is made of its own. So you have a problem, people from different areas come together, work towards that and make a team. That's a self-managed team. It's not something which is appointed by management or appointed as an official team. This is an unofficial team where people come together, work towards a problem and improve the process. So that could be example of a self-managed team. And then in addition to that, you could have a quality circle. Quality circle is also a type of team. Quality circle was something which was initiated in Japan, where people at the working level meet together and see what problems they have and then together they solve that problem. So that could be another type of team. So these are a few types of teams which you can have. So that's something which you need to understand.